Hey everyone, and welcome back to a new video. Today's going to be a really exciting one because we'll be unboxing the brand new OnePlus 9 Pro. So stay tuned after the intro. So without further ado, let's take a look at the box. So on the front we have here really beautifully and in this really stunning red colour OnePlus 9 Pro 5G. On the side we've got Hasselblad logo, OnePlus logo on the other. On the back it's just black, Android logo and some information. I'll cut it here just to make everything a little bit more clean, so let's get right into it. Okay, this is pretty exciting for me. And wow, here we have it. Never settle. Alright, so this is the phone. I got it in the color Morning Mist. I thought this looked pretty sleek and it'll be my first white phone in quite some long time. So let's take a look what's inside. Oh wow, we've got a surprise. A little booklet. Welcome. Okay, that was stuck in the lid. So we've got a welcome. Okay, this has got the SIM card tool, quick start guide, safety information, and SRA value, and contact. Just slide that back in here. Going deep into the box, first thing that I can see is a case. And wow, this actually feels very nice. I did not expect this to come with a case. That's pretty cool of them to include it. Then we've got a red signature OnePlus cable. These have been red since the very first OnePlus One, so I think this is extremely cool for them to keep this going, and yeah, it just looks awesome. And last but not least, charging brick. So what's very cool about this one, it's a 65 watt charger, so this will enable, I think it's called warp charging, which is extreme fast charging. So yeah, here it says warp charge 65. So I'm very excited how this will perform. So let's put this by side and take a look at the phone itself. And wow, this is already looking amazing. Let's take a look at the back. Got some sticker on there. If we try to peel that off. And wow, this Morning Mist color looks absolutely stunning. So this will be the phone I'll be putting my SIM card in. So for that we'll need the SIM card tool. SIM card tray here at the bottom, and I will be taking out the SIM card from my iPhone 11. Does this fit? Yes, that actually fits. Okay, that's amazing. And let's insert SIM card. And time to power on the OnePlus 9 Pro for the first time. Okay, I've heard a vibration, and wow, we can already see here OnePlus powered by Android. So we've got a pretty cool animation going on here. And that's it. We're booted up. Let me just enter my PIN code and we're done. So I hope you've liked my first unboxing and impressions of the brand new OnePlus 9 Pro. This is going to be my daily driver phone for now. I've been switching from iPhone completely to Android, and I'll see how this will be working. I'm extremely excited about these new cameras because of the Hasselblad collaboration, and all the reviews I've been seeing about this have been saying like really great things. Like for my style of photography, like these natural colors is exactly what I was looking for. So I'm extremely glad to see a phone that has natural colors and just overall a great camera system. with a super high resolution. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. I've got some pretty awesome videos coming up soon. I've got one related to Wi-Fi, which is really exciting, and I can't wait to share that with you. So, see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.